Shocking, but true. 25 years of independence, yet Bhangis, Harijans, the children of God as Gandhiji called them, still continue to be ill-treated. These unfortunate victims of a dead past are compelled to live and work under inhuman conditions. Efforts to give them a better life are being made by the Harijan Sevak Sangh. Creches for the children of working mothers. Free education and free midday meals for Harijan children. With scholarships, Harijan children can today receive public school education. But for the tens of thousands of Harijans in the country, these facilities are grossly inadequate. Lack of education compels a majority of them to live with their menial profession. But for how long? We must change our attitudes. We must develop cleaner habits. We must give them better equipment and provide better service conditions. best way, of course, would be to adopt improved methods of sanitation. A cleaner way of life for all. This ancient curse should not be passed on to future generations. With higher education, Harijan children too should be able to take up better jobs. A beginning has been made, but only a beginning. Harijan children are provided facilities for university education. They're also trained to be skilled workers. There are work centers for Harijan women. This hut in the Bhangi colony, Delhi, once housed Gandhiji. Today, some new tenements here house the fortunate few. But the majority of Bhangis still continue to live in filth and squalor. A Harijan housing colony, but only a few middle-class families are able to find accommodation in such colonies. Years ago, Gandhiji expressed his anguish. If I were to be born again, I would like to be born a Harijan, so that I may share their sorrows and sufferings. Even 25 years after independence, their sufferings continue. They still remain the outcasts of society.
मर जाऊंगी, पर हरिजन डॉक्टर से ऑपरेशन नहीं कराऊंगी।
हरिजनंगलिन कुडिसेगल तीक्किराई, हरिजनों को पानी नहीं।
It is up to us to remove this age-old stigma and give them a better life.